Did you know a professional Brazilian wax can keep your skin silky smooth for up to 4 weeks? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to achieve that flawless look safely, effectively, and confidently. Welcome to MTH Health, your trusted guide to clean, confident, and glowing self-care. Today, we're walking you through a complete beginner-friendly Brazilian wax tutorial from preparation to a perfect finish. Let's be honest, the idea of a Brazilian wax can feel a little intimidating. Many people worry about the pain, the redness, or simply not knowing how to do it right. But with the right preparation, the right technique, and a little aftercare, you can achieve smooth, glowing results without fear or frustration. Start by preparing your skin. Cleanse, exfoliate, and make sure it's completely dry. Next, choose the right wax. Hard wax for sensitive areas, and soft wax for larger zones. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. Pull against it swiftly and soothe your skin with calming oil or gel. Here are a few expert tips to reduce pain, prevent ingrown hairs, and make your results last longer. Now let's see the correct application in action. Notice the smooth wax layer, the proper 45-degree pull angle, and how easily it lifts the hair without irritation. With this method, even beginners can achieve salon-level smoothness right at home. To recap, prep your skin, choose the right wax, apply carefully, and soothe afterward. Follow these simple steps, and your first Brazilian wax will be a smooth, confident success. If you found this tutorial helpful, tap the like button and subscribe to MTH Health. Explore our other self-care and beauty tutorials, and keep your glow going every day.